Hello everyone, welcome to another Windows 11 Insider preview video. My name is Ed, and in this video I just want to show you how to upgrade to Windows 11 Insider preview. Now many of you are asking where's the ISO files for Windows 11? They're not out yet, and the only way to get the preview build is to obviously upgrade. Now you can see that I'm running build 2.1.3.0, which is still Windows 10. Now, the first step that obviously you've got to do is go to settings. Let me just make this bigger. Update and security, and at the bottom here you have the Windows Insider program. Now, if you are not part of the Windows Insider program, you can't upgrade to Windows 11 Insider Preview. So first things first, you obviously got to join the program. The second step is to obviously sign in with a Microsoft account, personal account, etc. And then you choose the dev channel. Now the dev channel is where you'll get the first build of Windows 11 Insider. And then going to Windows updates. My machine hasn't checked for updates, but you can just pause it and resume it if you have already joined the Insider program. And what this will do then is it will start checking for updates. And if your machine meets the requirements, this is obviously TPM, memory, space, then you will be able to upgrade. It will tell you if you want to join the Windows Insider program that this machine will not be able to do Windows 11, but it'll still continue to receive Windows 10 updates. Then you know that the machine is too old. If you're on an older Mac client, sorry for that. If you're on an older Mac client, or a Mac machine that has an Intel chip, it obviously won't work. So as you can see, this is my Azure machine. It is showing you that you have the ability to upgrade. As you can see, it's now downloading the Windows Insider 11 preview. So pretty straightforward steps. To recap is you need to launch settings, go to Windows updates or updates and security. You click on the Windows Insider program, you join with a Microsoft account, choose the dev channel. And then obviously once you've logged in with an account, your machine is going to reboot. It's going to ask you to reboot. When you come back, it will show you that you're part of the dev channel. And then you go to Windows updates and it should start checking for new updates. If it doesn't want to check for updates, just pause the update, resume the updates again. It'll go and do a refresh of the updates, and it'll show you what is available to download. So there you have it. This machine now will be a Windows 11 machine going forward. It won't be Windows 10, so there won't be any more Windows 10 Insider updates. Just wanted to do a quick video to show you how easy it is to do. Once Microsoft released the ISOs, it'll obviously be made known to the public, and then you can then download and install it. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching.